So we've arrived at Leeds Beckett University to do some workshop training at the Leeds School of Arts. Narrow piece, straight down, wide piece, push forward, go down and slowly back.
So my name is Johnny Coulson. I am the Learning Support Team Manager for Music and Performing Arts. We facilitate technical production and various support studios, spaces, etc. across the Leeds School of Arts building based in Leeds. We are technicians and practitioners across music, performing arts in terms of facilitating scenic construction at times, facilitating lighting, sound, also maintaining, looking after our spaces and supporting students through the journey for their time here at Leeds Beckett University. We require, industry practice, industry built models for them to work with. So primarily in this school we have 4 teams. 2 of those teams will use it, so performing arts and scenic construction in film are particularly strong. They use them for their sets, they're building breaking sets all the time, and it gives them a good experience to work with a different set, turn it around, and actually just get a bit of hands-on industry experience. And in this setting here, having it here to facilitate and make your own set, your own products, your own niche needs for your production, that's a big requirement really. Being in university, we're quite good enough front in terms of health and safety, but for this it was more kind of making sure the team understood the reasons why they were doing things and the safety around that, etc. Good systems of work, which is just kind of been reinforced more through the training with Dalton, I'd say. So they came through as a kind of a supplier that we've worked with in the past. They were very much part of the adjacent team who work in the broadcasting place. We've got a big 3D workshop there. And it kind of came through that in terms of, well, we wanted to get our staff into a position where they were competent, they were able to kind of do what they needed to do their roles. And this very much affixed to what we wanted to do in terms of teaching them on the various bits of equipment we have here at Leeds School of Arts to make sure they can kind of work safely, autonomously and facilitate what they're here to do. The recommendations that come from the trainer in terms of, here's some things that we're noticing, here's how you can do it better, here's good industry practice. So all that encompassed in the fact that it's also a training provider, but also you can come and do your PPM, you can come and do all your ongoing maintenance, etc. That's a good package. And so, Dalton being the name for that.